Check it! What the friggin' what's that country called? Yeah. Benin and Turger? Bitch in my head. He said it's bitch. That means in my head, boy. Yeah, man. Him late, got my pussy fat.
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win. We still a win. Are we still a win?
Jules beat on the vlog. What's popping? You think you're ready? Yeah. We're on this. Oh, you mean in here? Yeah. Oh no, this is a hotel. But you could stay. You gonna work tomorrow? Yeah. Oh, you could have stayed over tonight. There's a room with like 3 beds down there. Who that? No, I'm your cousin. Cheek. I don't know. Well, stop that. No man. God no me think I want socks you put in the front. Let me see. Come like every year, every week, then get beaten. By who? This ain't not gonna fight me. Why? Oh. Just let me think you're ready. Ready? The person always a hurry. I was ready last. It's true. True word. No man, girl. Let me carry this because strict make you feel like me are dead. Alright, we're gonna buy some drinks. They're gonna be cooking curry chicken and rice. Oh, them cook? Yeah, but them not cook for now, so. So me I come down, you know? Maybe a hot like hot. Well, we have the ocean and we have the swimming pool, but me not gonna jump on the ocean there. What's all me can't swim? Me can't swim, but nothing that. You still a rubber on your cream, man. Yeah, man. You can't manage it. Yeah. That's too hot. Let's rub on me. The time is too hot. This is my twin, guys. Hey, my beautiful twin. The panty twin. Jesus, Joe Jesse. You rest them big man. The vacation. It's going really well. Alright. I'm having a good time. That dog is on the pain.
This one,
you know how much?
15.
15? Oh, the dog. Oh, man. Let's go, JC. We have a very long walk to go. The man said, stop that! Cheeky shit. What? Stop that. Oh, no, thank you. Yeah. No, we're gonna go this way. You looking forward to my name again? Truth idea. Right now, I'm decided, you know. You know, I'm gonna have no clothes to wear. Me go buy. You have to go buy clothes. Girl, you have to go. Shoes. And you hype me about this party from how long now? Eh? Single file. It's like me in my head, me just if me say right, the last minute, me I gotta do everything. Last minute. Buy put on lash, buy clothes. Because I'm going to leave work early, so I have enough time. Oh, you work on a Saturday? Yep. Jesus. I leave work 4 o'clock, so I have a lot of time. So you working the Sunday? That I don't know as yet. That would be a shame. Well, it depends on the shift that I get. Oh, yeah. So if it's a late shift, that would be perfect if I get the day off. Perfect. But if it's an early shift, you get knocked. If it's an early shift, I get what you don't get. Fuck. Well, let's hope you get a nice shift then. Why? This one little boy dropping out yesterday and I laugh. Are you going back in there today? Which Derek? Oh. Why you call him whatever? No, I call him whatever. He's a very nice person. Yeah. I don't know if she calls him her boyfriend or her husband. You don't laugh off at me? Listen, by the time you back around the corner, yeah, my top lip is gonna be sweating. Yeah. Oh, that's such a beautiful shell. I want one from a turtle. I have a turtle at home, you know. How much is your hey Charmaine? I'm good. How much is your shells?
All different prices. All depends on the size.
How much is for that big one?
Which one?
This one here.
Like these ones?
Yeah. Okay, that's not bad. Alright. When I get change, I'll come back. Alright. See you. I told Uncle that I saw you. Yeah?
Right, yeah.
See ya.
Okay.
But yeah, truth art. I have an outfit for truth or dare. You're not in?
Me have something for you.
John.
And them I said I'm in here at
what your name again?
Time out.
Yeah. It's true.
I'm just get on a level where me just
But remember that guy died, so probably that's why they were so like.
me I think
Really? I think that's why they didn't play the song.
me not really hear enough that tune.
You don't hear God tune nowadays. I hear gunman tune. Kill this one, kill that one. Like, me not lie. That's a Cheryl, but me I talk about when you go out. Like, you don't really hear the whiny song them.
Make party mash up.
You know? You have to just stand up in the one corner.
If you know, they want money pull up, you see the DJ,
Oh.
them a play for money pull up. And that me think them a play.
Most.
Because if them go start bus pay a girl tune now, everybody
Yeah.
started wine a dance.
Mm.
Well, that's a big breadfruit. Everyone will be dancing and enjoying
Right.
themselves. So, nobody not got no time for no money pull up.
Me want to enjoy myself. I thought the dog was gonna come after me. And you see how I froze? I was like, what's that? Yeah? Eh?
Shade night on already. No, finish Shade. Yes, yeah, Shade.
Oh, girl, you a queen. Fendi for your body. Queen Louis V for your body. Gucci for your body.
Let me see it. I hope that should be on it. Can you come let me try something? Hold on. Yeah.
Is it not opener?
I don't have a clue.
That must be the opener, man.
Right here.
Then. You took off your hair. Yes. Cheers to the freaking weekend. I'll drink to that. Yeah. Hey, today's vlog. What's poppin', y'all? Just tastes so good. Let's eat some food.
I don't want the other thing.
Best food in that one.
And the music was playing. And I was like,
In the mood.
cartel, some old cartel. You know
Oh,
that?
yeah,
The vibes there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Living the life. You right then? Woo! This view actually looks amazing. I feel like I'm in like Brazil. Not Brazil, what's it? Like Ibiza. You know when them young girls go on holiday and they're like going to Ayanapa and they're doing their snap stories.
I happen them things are not this nice, trust me.
I've never been. I don't think I want to go there. Like all them party.
I think you
like
should go just experience it. I've been.
I know, but it's just not. I've never been attracted to that scene. You know, that party scene, like. Cause they play house music. If it was like a thing where they played like bashment and them things there, I might consider because it's not expensive, but what you spend over there is grands. Like the euros, you can spend like 3,000 euros in one night. I heard it's very. But Jamaica's got some beautiful scenes. Honestly, that's it, JC. Back it down. That was so good. But I say it's a fit junk, then
Let me get my other phone to get Wi-Fi, man.
You're not coming there, Paul?
Yeah.
I want some fries. That was
Get some Wi-Fi, mate.
But I say it's a fit junk, then But I say it's a fit junk.
I have one red shirt with you.
Woo! Pet 2 grand picnic. Pet just gone, so let's okay. We're talking about grandma. Hi, Bajin. Hi, Bajin Barrett. Hi, Bajin. Hi, Bajin Barrett. Hi, Bajin Barrett. She always tell me what this dreamer she have.
So,
you can't remember word for word, but like she get invited at this place, me and Tabia didn't there. Like enough kids, a lot of kids. I don't know if she didn't have anywhere to stay or what. And they invited her there and me and Tabia, and they took care of us and so forth. She said it was a pretty, like a very, very pretty place. She always tell me that you know, but I don't remember how it word to word. She said it was a very pretty place. She said pretty. What? Jason. Foreign Jason. I think you should migrate to foreign. See? Yeah. I think so. I don't think you should live so far apart. What do you think, Mom? That's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. That's nice. Sorry, Mi Julz. I think you would like England. It's fast paced, but I think you would like it.
of course.
To save some money, build a nice house in your mom's house. What are you gonna build? Like an apartment kind of thing? A house? How many bedrooms?
Yeah. I'm not sure.
But my bedroom would be so big and nice and everything. I understand. They're there, you know. Say hi, guys. Say hola. You can see us. Come, Jason. Don't get so sweet. Thank you.
Hi!
Look, they're decking it right there, you know. They're decking it right there. Look, they're not moving no further. I'm still halfway out there.
Them now, we're back. Since Maria, we're somebody's waving.
Yeah. I'm gonna. Look, guys, there's a party boat right there. I hope you guys can see. Look, there's a party boat right there. And no one would even vibes like this.
Hey, you can go down in the sea, you know, and you can go as far as to where they pick up, where they.
You gonna walk down there and say hello?
Of course.
When should they be back
I'll
in?
walk down.
I'll show you. Let's go, yeah, come. Come on.
Let's vlog. Go.
Let's vlog. Come on, guys. Let's vlog. Look up your hand.
Jason, do you want to be my cameraman?
Where's the camera? Put it on airplane mode and it will last longer.
So which one should I vlog on then? The black one?
Yeah. Come, let's go to say hello to the party boat. Oh, they're coming for them at the Rick's Cafe. Look. Mommy, can you see that?
Oh yeah, it's small. I bought one thing about there now. No, but I haven't told the people I haven't watched it. Oh my god.
Oh shit, it's scary down here, you know.
So can you go in?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I thought.
But I ain't going in.
Thing. Like a, what do you call it?
Huh?
I thought it was
Guys,
like,
look where we are. We're all the way down here. One girl, you cross it first. Nobody cannot cross it.
understand it can cross it.
Right.
Nobody can cross it. There's a fisherman and a fisherwoman.
She breathing. Look her. She breathing. I care about it. Oh God.
Hey,
Boom,
no, it's,
this shit is scary.
I can't go down by the thing. I thought it was sand, to be honest.
No. So, you know what's funny? How we get back up?
People.
How we getting back up? Because that shit's scary. Jump. No, girl, don't jump.
I can't mess up my hair.
All the man do what there?
You can stop vlogging now, you know.
Guys, Jesus, you see up? Watch out. Let's go back up. You see how the ski get rough since we come back down here? Look how rough the sea got since we got down here. Oh my god, look how rough the sea is. Like, the sea is angry at us. You know the sea is angry at us, right? But look how rough it's got.
It's because we're not going in. Taking it.
The sea is
You can
angry.
click the thing, you know. You can click that, look. It's on Bluetooth.
Guys, the sea angry with me. No, the sea is proper angry with us. Like,
Let's take some off-guard ones, you know. Yeah.
that party boat is very boring. What should I do?
Hey, there's not. Huh?
Why?
There's no. You have to play music first, at least.
I don't have no music on my phone, girl. Shade. Be careful.
I know, but I want to go in.
She does so daring. Aaron? Where Aaron? 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 Girl? If you... Yeah, because Aaron can't swim.
But I can swim. I got a wall for swimming. The only thing we can't dive. But I can swim. Take a photo. Darling, take a photo so I can send it to Jabbar of my ass.
I don't know how to get back up there because...
Okay.
You can't go back up.
That guy's my bum.
Bend over, girl. And no, it's not black.
Are you taking a picture or recording?
Picture. Picture. Guys, look. There's a party boat over there.
Alright, let me see.
There is 2 boats that's decked there.
Thank you.
Then boring bad though.
That picture, you're mad. Oh my
Yeah.
god. Come closer. That's too far. Come like this.
Zoom in.
Come again. That picture is so mad. Becky,
Yes, girl.
take
It's
it in this little cave now.
Watch it. Shall don't come to waste time on the grill.
Listen, I come here once.
Cynthia Beach.
Yeah, but it's not nice.
Oh, it's
Like I know, I Rocky Beach. I know
Oh, Pebbles Beach.
Yeah.
I can't manage.
I'm coming to this.
Never try get back up there before me get stuck down here.
Thanks, honey.
Me push stuck. No.
I'm scared to go back up.
Listen.
It's so beautiful.
Listen, I don't know how I'm gonna make it back up. Look right there. Give me a hand. Just walking. Hello. Sea rough today. Sea rough today. Sea rough today. Sea rough today. Oh God, made that catch me.
You know what I'm going at? But I don't want to climb down. Like, do you know what I mean,
You
Tabia?
wanna jump? Watch out.
No.
Watch
I said that time, man. No, I'm not doing that.
out. What them there? What area are they?
I just want to jump down like normal. I mean, go in.
There's a step there.
No,
so there.
because I don't trust that. That
Get a
thing.
longer break. But now I'm no rough sea. I'm sorry.
Speak out, I can't swim.
Don't even think about it, my cousin. Watch out. Watch the fish them. Yeah. Now he's spread at the boats.
Oh, boy.
Yeah.
You can't swim, my friend. My boy there saying can't swim.
I'm a hot. These people on the boat are so boring, guys.
They're not even a dance.
Them boring. This party would come around and no style, right? The people in my dance. You're not bored, you set the fire at them, but
Very. They're quite what's it, reserved.
Oh, that's why then.
It's okay. This is Shade, guys. Go and subscribe to her channel. Her channel is called LIVESSSS, which stands for Shade Brooks. Is it Shade Brooks or Shade Burke?
Yes.
Tussie, you have more ingredients in mommy's bag, you know?
Where am I going to cook? Where am I going to cook?
Curry chicken, man.
Make it hot pepper too. Make it. What's the thing? The pepper box night.
Tell him. You love pepper? No.
Oh, no, I love pepper, don't you?
Yeah, man.
I love pepper. If I don't have pepper, I feel like I can't eat it.
Tussie, today wants her to be extremely spicy, yeah?
Well, we can live then.
Like spicy when you know when the pepper box night.
No, I'm cut your punch.
Tabby and our friends.
See that every
But when you
time
boil the pepper, you get your head out, you know?
that?
You know that?
Tabby, yeah.
Who's that?
Say hi.
Hi, hello. 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 I'm good, yourself?
Listen, I can't even get a little tan.
Auntie Vash.
Auntie Vash, say hello. Huh?
Hey, peoples.
Mommy's here as well, you know.
Oh, who is that?
Auntie Vash.
Mommy's here as well.
Wash time. Oh, I'm washing.
Want to say hi to her? Oh, next time, Auntie, next time. Alright, goodbye. That was my auntie from Canada. She doesn't live in Toronto, she lives in Quebec.
Today is my second day also.
Quebec.
On time.
Today is so hot, more like
Quebec. You're not in the video, you know? You're not in the video.
it's on fire.
But I would like the chips to be delivered while I'm in the pool so I can enjoy the chips. You know what I mean?
Chips, very hot.
Fries. We're gonna go Corner Bar.
It is very
Us
hot.
three
and
girls.
today is
When?
way hotter than Negril.
We're taking taxi
It is good. Alright.
for now.
The shift that I on now it's 7 a.m.
We're gonna go Carnival now?
So when I
You
have
ever
to
been
get up at
Carnival?
around 4
Jabari gave
45 in the morning
your mom a whole list of what.
to get ready for her. And
to make it do.
in the house.
Is it how many?
Hot.
Karen got it, making it one food. I can't right. Nice.
In the house.
Yeah.
Karen got my beef. You see me grab.
I expect it to be cool.
Go see me, daddy. I was just like, oh
You
my,
see,
this
when
boy.
I'm outside, when I'm finished ready and so
Italian
forth,
cafe is not so
I
expensive.
leave out the house
You want an Italian
around 5:20.
But Corner Bar is very cheap
And
and nice.
yes, because I have to catch the
But
bus
I'm talking
for
about
six,
$300
uh,
cheap
6
and manageable.
and the
Winners
the
now you
staff
have the
bus,
proper
6
food and you
a.m.
have
and
the pork, the
yes, and
oxtail,
we reach
the
down, we
pig
reach
tail, the curry
We
goat, the
reach right
fried
in
chicken.
time, before
Corner Bar
time,
have
but
fried
we have,
chicken,
you know,
chips, rice and
for
peas,
7, but this is what we want to be in
home.
between that time.
Like that kind of vibe.
Yeah.
It's more like a fast food restaurant. But Win is more like
It's a call
a meal
center. We
restaurant.
take Amazon calls, so if you have the packages,
Send it
call,
to me.
I hang on the phone.
some mad people California, one lady California one day I say, they say, thank you for calling Amazon, this is Jason, da 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 da.
Yeah.
How may I assist you today?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not sure what is on my computer screen.
What?
I'm not sure I'm understanding you. Can you repeat that for me, please?
Yeah.
I don't understand what's on my computer screen.
So if you not understand,
Oh, yeah.
oh,
We
you
get
don't understand, I did not even
No,
explain.
we literally get
Some of them are just
crazy
too much.
customers. So crazy customers. Trust me. I'm with her on the phone. She don't go ask the supervisor.
Why?
No, it's not. Okay. You see, when they ask the supervisor, I'm one of the happiest moments for anybody.
Right.
But then think of something bad or something good them do or whatever.
Yeah.
When they ask the supervisor, I'm one of the happiest thing.
Right.
One of the greatest things for them do.
Mm.
I hurry up and I get my supervisor and I transfer the call. I did I listening for the call of the hear what she had to say to the supervisor.
Yeah.
She still a chat rubbish. The woman I say, you say I know America come off of it. Let me just hang up before time and send back the product. So them are going to go back again and charge them if they don't receive the product. We have a pair of mad people California there.
Mm-mm.
So She said she want a supervisor. What's my name? I said JACIANNJC. So, we transfer. Still up on the phone. I want boy answer me. I want supervisor. Boy, my batty man. But they are listening for the car.
Yeah.
Woman get well nice now, you know. Where are you located? And the boy said Jamaica. She said, oh yeah man. He said this bitch in my head. He said this bitch. That means in my head, boy. Yeah man.
I hate when people do that. I don't like it.
But
Imagine if imagine if like you're Indian and that's, I just find it racist. It's actually still racist.
It hang up your phone. I said this bitch. So she know, you see that particular customer?
Yeah.
She make me think in my head. When me going to look hotel industry go do.
Yeah.
Eh? And then see one I'll come here and I smile in their face and they friggin' racist. You understand?
True.
Because I did start school for that, you know.
Oh, hotel industry?
But I never finish. I
Oh.
go back in at that. I choose something else.
Like to walk around and stuff like.
Oh, girl, you can walk around in Negril. Negril is nice.
I said the furthest place I went in the grill is Long Bay Beach. You're not listening to me. And from the beach back to my house. I'm never gonna win.
No,
I've
girl,
never
you
been
can-
Ritz Cafe. I just see pan people them vlog.
Oh.
I've never been. No, we're on the grill.
Oh, we can walk up
I've been
to
my
it.
bay though. I went to go sport in my bay.
My bay.
I went to Aquasal and the sea rush. I had hives. I'm not joking. All over my body.
I'm not really my bay kind of girl.
I don't like my bay
Negril.
anyway. All of them look like.
That me not like one day.
I don't like it. All of them look like Tamili. Bleach out and tattoo. No, seriously, and their voice, all of them are squeaky. Like, all of them, like, they know. Them bars don't drop yet. Seriously, you know, like, do you know, I don't know if I'm explaining. Do you know, like, do you know what I mean? Yeah, where I go, yeah. It's like, why their voice don't have no tune it. You know, like, all of them, like, their voice is very fine. Like country boy talks.
Oh, yeah.
Fine. It's too much. I can't deal with it. When I went to my bay, I never seen no person that has their natural colour. Pure bleaching and
Yeah, enough
tattoo.
people have the
And
natural colour, man, but yeah, they don't find
I don't
them
see-
the one that in the town.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't see them.
They have people and then
I went there for Jamaican independence and they had something at Aquasal. That was nice.
Hey,
Fireworks and
I know
everything.
because them be still
I'm not gonna lie, nice.
No,
I'm a bay so hot.
we say the amount of people will rub large
Come
sometimes.
here, you're not in your vlog, you know. No, Jesse, you're gonna get a good recipe, man.
Eh?
You're gonna get a good recipe, tell me.
Or rubbings. And then what have to ask when I bleachers.
So what cherry you use?
The good, do you want me to tell you? I'm gonna tell you, I ain't a bleaching. Man, a bleacher. You have to mix it with some like stuff that's good for skin anyway. Like you have to mix it with like bio oil and stuff like that.
She's got a point there because look when I since
Otherwise, you will bust up. Because you're using stuff that is taking up like basically deteriorating your skin. But those stuff have ingredients to restore your skin. You get it?
So you know how
So you have
you
bleach,
vitamin
if
E and stuff.
Stuff like you can mix it in a bleaching cream. It will take a longer time for you to come. But when you do come, it come out nice.
Yeah, I think it's
Trust me.
alibi. I can't remember about alibi.
Like bio oil, what's that vitamin? What is it? Vitamin E
oil.
and stuff like that.
Almond oil.
Shea butter put in it. Shea butter stinks, yeah, but it's nice. It makes your skin really smooth. That's what's getting rid of my stretch marks, you know. You didn't have them bad
You
ones.
see, like black people have real dark skin, like tough skin, like real dark skin.
Yeah.
I don't know why, but for them bleaching ever pretty.
No, they look
No,
great.
no.
like
Me,
them
I
are dead,
tell
man.
you, see people will have dark skin and bleach.
Yeah.
For them, how them come off, it always pretty. I don't know why.
But look
Yeah,
at Nikki
I tell you.
Crane.
I don't have that experience, but Nikki,
She was a
Nikki
black
was
house
a
woman.
black
Oh
bitch.
God. she
yeah,
was a
but
black
I feel
woman.
like come out nice.
You don't think? I think she
Never
come
say
up
she would have bleach
nice.
and
Yes,
get back
but-
black and like get back black and bleach. And
When
get
she
back
comes,
black.
she
So
comes
she a tired
clean.
bleacher.
Yeah, but no man.
Like, you know she's even.
I think the best
product.
bleaching is when you're brown and you bleach. Because you have that colour already, so you're just toning. Like Sharon I have not one boss, you know? And she's bleaching.
Oh, dance queen.
Yeah, her bleaching looks
No, no,
clean. Alright, let's take out your liking part. Her
You know, like,
bleaching.
if you ever want reptile.
Here we go. Why should I come in the vlog? Come in the vlog. Lord, come in the vlog.
Jesus Christ! Don't get me in that trouble.
No, but honestly
They
though,
can't see
like you see,
you.
because she wasn't dark. No, God, no, she wasn't dark. See, when she's
You
bleaching.
know Tim Tim? She's
Timira
pretty.
bleaching. Timira bleaching
She
nice.
come off
This
nice.
Tim, Nikki Coleman.
No,
No, Tim Tim.
Timira.
She's that.
She said Robin's
TNH
too.
bleaching. She looks
You know her?
pretty.
Fair Robin's nice. Fair,
But
but
she's one tone. But she's more whitish than brownish.
nice.
I mean, I love when people bleach and they look dead grey. They don't even have a nice brown color. Where you are bleach, man?
Some people,
You know what?
bleaching come out red like their face, butter red.
Listen, I just, you know what? Some
You're a
people that mix
you're
up,
a
mix up.
throwback baby.
No, I'm a slave baby.
Yeah, you're a throwback baby.
The people them don't want to send to
Like you know, we're from me and you's from what's that country called?
Yeah.
Benin and Togo. I did my ancestry DNA thing.
I think I'll
don't
trace
know
back to
that.
like
I don't know
Ghana.
about that.
Benin and Togo between Nigeria and Ghana.
Really?
So me and you's from that side, because I did it from the Barrett, you know the Barrett line. We got. If I ever read read the results.
But you will have it because
we're
it's mixed. Trust me, it's
Congolese.
mixed.
We're Congolese. We're from Benin and Togo. We're from Nigeria.
Yeah,
We're from
national research,
Ghana.
man.
We're from we got Jewish in us and German and a little bit of Spain. If I show you the results mad. Like
But
Benin
you
and
will have
Togo
them.
is 55%. I was so shocked, JCN. 55%.
But you guys, I don't know why you lot are shocked.
You see your daddy? You see your granddaddy black?
But I mean, very black.
Black. Very
I
black.
don't know how you guys are surprised.
No, I thought it'd be
Why are you
more
surprised when you come
Ghana.
from an island? Caribbean people on the whole is a mix.
No,
But
but
then
I
when
thought it'd
it's
be
slave,
more
I don't
Ghanaian, but this Benin and I was like, well, where's Benin and Togo? I had to go research it. I was like, where's Benin and Togo? Yeah, Benin and Togo. We got Cameroon. Yeah, like there's a big list.
Make
It
a
costs,
mix.
it
And-
costs £69 to do it, but it's worth it. I think it's worth it. It's worth. I got on my I'll go on the internet later on. We'll come back from Canabar. His mom's sister, the lady that I showed you on Facebook.
It's so weird because my grandma from my mum's side is like Coolie. She's black, cool. Like I don't think she's Indian, but her hair, like she looks black, like you and me,
Yeah.
but the hair is like the
Proper
same.
nice.
And I got that hair, but it's mixed. And then my mum doesn't have that hair, none at all. And then my dad has that. You can see his beard. That's a nice beard. But then I've never met my dad's
But
side
then look,
with
remember,
mum or
said
dad. Because they're
they
dead.
must be white enough
So
because
I've never seen them.
remember brittle bone is not a black disease. You must remember that brittle bone is not a black disease. So when I used to go to the conferences, yeah, I was the only black person there. And they used to ask me, what are you doing here? Because brittle bone is not a black disease. Like
Yeah,
black
but
people
it's
don't
mixed.
have it.
But I then give it everything and make
Right.
some of us
so
like some things.
obviously
Yeah,
we're slave babies, you know.
yeah, but
You
I think
know,
everyone's
one of our
slave
parents
baby.
got raped. One of our great grandparents also got raped somewhere. Because what I saw on that results, I was like, whoa, my nigga, whoa.
I think my results would be mixed. I think I would have a lot of German, a lot of Jewish, a lot of Indian, and Nigerian. That's what I think.
But
Because it's weird. Like both my parents are black. I'm not talking about like my dad's dark, cool. And my mom was like to me, "You know, man, take one man, all that this chick, me, all that Paris, all that St. Elizabeth." Because I seen they said for St. Elizabeth, pure family. I don't know because I'm not from it. Like, but my mom was like, you're treading a dangerous road being with someone from St. Elizabeth. Because you would just go to the 1,500 cousin.
Yeah,
And even though
it's
you get a
true.
child and it don't come Down syndrome. Britain born, whatever I have. Because
Yeah.
you're mixing the DNA to your clothes. Anyways, where man come from? Where you come from?
Dubai.
Negril or somewhere.
Dubai come from right here at Negril.
But your daddy come from over here?
No?
You come from over here?
No
You
zinger
can't
today.
get zinger today.
She's not getting no zinger
Guys,
today.
people, send one zinger come in a, send it in a package.
You think so? Alright, I'll cut this out the vlog.
What? I don't know this. I don't know.
Come feel it.
The stiff as well, I know.
No man, put the breast them, JCN. This is normal breast. Your breast them just.
It's stiff.
You know me can't
I got the word I'm not swatting me now. I was sitting right next to my sister, Dubai said, the fat pussy and the stiff. You know, I'm just tired of it. And the stiff breast them. I was like, really?
They're not big. And look there.
They're not big, but they're stiff. Like, you know, breast us up.
But then look,
I don't really have breast.
they look shiny. Like, you know when something just looks shiny?
That is lying. She said this about me. You said this about me.
No, but because I'm...
Food is ready.
Oh, yes!
Voila.
Curry chicken! Yes!
He said bon appetit.
Bon appetit, yes! See, that's it around there. See, around there. Hey!
They are boring.
Them people are boring.
Those people are boring. I don't like.
It's even bowled out, guys. I got myself a good husband.
10:46, you know, in England.
This tastes good.
Yep.
I had an eggnog this morning. It was so nice.
That must have run your belly. That
Eggnog.
run your belly?
One day night.
On the fridge. Really?
Eggnog.
Really? Girl, no, my eggnog was nice.
Not me.
It was so nice.
In time you see me drink that, no man. Trouble.
Oh, that is why. Explain why I got toilet. No.
Oh, I could have told you that. We never gonna say eggnog. But yeah, that makes you go to toilet.
Oh, could I stop? Oh my god.
Pretty little black skin girl. Pretty little light skin girl, yeah. The way you a wine girl, make me have to stop everything. Me want turn you in a wifey. Pretty little diamond ring. Oh, Caribbean beauty, Caribbean cutie. Move on lock in them. Yeah, shut you down, baby. Me I represent every real woman, every strong woman. Me I represent every real woman, every strong woman. I regular me see you give them anytime me see them ask. I wear them do your that for. Same type of people that them like you. When I'm fresh from the ride, when I'm fresh from work. Louis out. Your class Valentino, Louis out. Yeah, me fresh from work. Read and gal me can't do without. Yeah, me fresh from work. You know say me I like it. Be a pretty girl in a drive. NSC I run in a me drive. Girl, you are do something to me. Skin out the fat pussy in front of me, lad. You're pretty just like a dolly. You want me, mommy, me and your papi wine. Tiny girl like you, she said, murder. Pussy tight, so me should be further. Girl like you, she said, murder. Pussy tight, so me should be further. He got but she come back again. She said, that boyfriend just on me like chicken murder.
Hey, put your bun. That make it shake song.
Of course.
When you make it shake. It's gonna make it shake for y'all in the vlog. In a moment. I'm gonna make it shake and make other persons shake.
You're full of vibes, and me telling ya. And the reason me can't stop the with ya. Baby, me love fit the in at the bed with ya. Cause you turn me on quicker than a radio. When everybody gone. Pussy on me, young gang. Say it, see me, make it dance. Pussy on me, young gang. Love how you wanna, you want some. Jiggle up your body for the dancer. Chop it to the ground, mama, bam, bam. You know that you feel in a different stand. Set so. Put it in your hole. Listen.
If you play, down on my pussy fat. Why? Because this we need to daddy. When we motherfuck the pussy, you know start feeling this anxiety. See me can't get in. Look how they get a party, muscling, highly done up. You know me not dreaming. 21, I feel like 30 years old. Make me try my finger for Star Wars. Baby, let me tell you something. We fall in love when your legs up. put up on her. And when you walk out and gone home, she said she still feels me for lips. After she tell me she want more. After we just prove that the whole of our thing. Baby, let me tell you that I love you so much. Cause I like me like what I'm feeling. I love the fuck feeling. So I'm feeling singing at me. Load up your butt, make it bustin' at me. Breathe me one, breathe, baby, coming at me. Baby, back the clock coming at me. Like I know you feel so good. But I when your pussy just like on the wood. Me can't hold it. Baby, me can't hold it. Me can't hold it, me a bad out. Am I up?
Any girl you see the date to the man just a follow you. You look up the definition of the baddest and I you. Cause anywhere you go, every eye they have to follow you. Pussy so good, me wish me about 21 of you. Boy, can't style you.
You must see it saying on the behavior.
Carry on, take please.
Sonny, anybody can control you. And that's why you always bring pussy to me. You must see it saying on the behavior. Carry on, take speed. Never Jesus, man in the major. Can't say it too good for fucking I can't see it. Oh, you cannot. Not pretty boy, can go wild on me. Me, I kick all your foot and I fuck your heart like a screw.
I have my bad juice.
I have water.
I have bad juice. I have one more bad juice left.
JC, it was so nice seeing you. Love you. Can't believe you're going, girl.
Bye, it was nice meeting you.
I would hug you, but I'm wet, and obviously, you understand? I don't want you to go home looking wet. Get home safely. Get home safely, okay? Bye, Arrow. Oh, when again, boo? When's your next day off? I don't know yet. Well, I said, I don't know until next week. Or the end of this week. Alright, go home get some dick, girl. Go live your best life, cuz. Love you. Live your best life.
I'm gonna stop this.